Hi everyone, I'm Chef Frederick Gale. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple and nutritious dish. It's a very fun breakfast snack, Fruit Parfait. This dish you can get the kids involved in this COVID pandemic when everyone is at home. It's a very good way to get everyone involved in the kitchen. I will be working with a couple of fruits here. I have some fresh mango from my mango tree. I have pineapple, papaya, bananas, local Ethiopian apple, and of course cantaloupe. Alright? Also I have some plain yogurt here and some granola cereal. You can use whatever brand granola cereal you want to use, and yogurt you want to use. Also, whatever fruits available to you, it's okay. All right, I'm just using what I have here. So let's get cracking. Let's get started in the dish. All right, I'll grab my knife here. I have my cantaloupe, which is washed and peeled. Very important, you wash everything. This cantaloupe is actually from my garden, so I'm going to peel this cantaloupe. I'm going to make in some dice. Right? That way you can cut them. Let the kids play with it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So you can have the kids assist you here. My pineapple is already peeled, so I'm going to make some dice here. Alright, I'm going to grab me an apple, papaya, and a mango. Alright, and actually these mangoes are also from my tree at home here. So get these mangoes peeled up. You know, while it's just a fun way to have everybody getting involved. You know, kids can be, you're going to slice this mango right down the side here. You want to avoid the seed. And you want to get everything. You can save it. Kids can have it, can eat it. Alright, no need to dump it or to throw it out. Alright, so I have my mangoes diced. Alright, also have some pre-prepared right here. So I will be adding mangoes to what I already have prepared. I'm going to add my Ethiopian apple. Right, here you see. Right, very easy. Just bring your knife across, turn it, bring it across like that. And you have beautiful diced apples. Alright, so what you're making here is a fruit salad. Also have a papaya. I'm going to add me a papaya to that. I would say, as I was saying, you know, get everyone involved in doing this. It's fun. It's a way to get the kids interested in cooking from an early age. Alright? So oops, sorry. I have my, again, same way, across, turn and across. Alright, so there I have it. I have my fresh fruit salad. I'm going to combine it together here. Oh, this is beautiful. Nice colors, red, orange, yellow, and of course that white coming out from that apple. It's looking beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright, so my fruit salad is ready. I have my fruit salad ready. I have my glass prepared, and I have my plain yogurt, and then I have my granola, cereal here. Alright, so I'm going to be putting together the simple and fun snack, breakfast snack here. Alright, first I'll be starting with fresh fruit salad. I'm just going to make 3 servings for now. Then I'll be adding my plain yogurt. You don't want to use a flavored yogurt because the flavored yogurt is sweet, and you have the sweetness of the fruit and the sweetness of the granola. So you want, you can just, you don't have to, you know, you can just pour it from the container here. Alright, so we make, top it a little bit to get it all down there. And I'm going to add a little bit more, another layer of fruit to each. Alright, and I'm going to top it off now with another dollops of plain yogurt. Right, then you're going to add again some granola. So, and if you need, I have some bananas here. Well, these are my favorite bananas. They call them honey bananas. You can top it off with a banana for garnish. And this is an excellent, excellent, excellent snack. I'm going to slice me a few bananas. I'm going to top it off there. Whatever banana you have available, you can make it happen for you. So here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fruit parfait. You can see the different layers, the yogurt, the fruits, the granola. It's fantastic snack